Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just going to look at a few things in this plant room. It's a bit of a tiny one. And we can see if we spot anything different. I see that it's got a solar panel here. So that's connected possibly on the roof. I haven't really seen it, but yeah, it says something to do with the solar panel there, I believe. I could be wrong. I could completely be wrong. So, and then I like when these panels here have the phases on there when they're three phase. You can see this one here indicates that there's three phase in here, and then you can see the different phases there on the panel. What else do we have in this plant room? Okay, something I found interested in this plant room was this extreme. I've never seen it before. It looks like almost like it's got a code as well or something here. What month and year, sorry. So month and year on the top of it. It looks like some form of, I don't know what it is. What is it? A strainer of some sort? I don't know what it is. It's called Extreme. Put in the comments below if you've seen it before. What we've got these pumps. At least they're in the right way, with the sign this way with the G at the top. Been seeing many of those the wrong way. What else do we have? Romea Kinta Aces. A bit of lagging in the right place, and then, well, to be honest, at the bottom there should be lagging underneath these boilers. There should be, like, you know, the ones that go underneath there. Someone's probably removed that. What else? These are room sealed boilers. If they were open fluid, I'd be a lot more concerned about this fly mesh in terms of ventilation, but I've still flagged it up. Previous engineer flagged it up as well. But this mesh here shouldn't be here, the fly screen, because they're prone to get blocked. So it's really a warning notice situation, and especially if the boiler was open fluid, but these are room sealed, taking air from the outside. But do remember anyway to flag those up to the powers that be that needs to be ripped off, and so on. Okay, what else? But remember, at the same time, you're the gas engineer on site.